I hope you'll watch the video while I put this texture on my walls. Now, I'm going to start putting vinyl siding up. Few tools when you start with vinyl siding: a knife, most definitely a tape measure, chalk line, hammer, puncher so you can punch your nail holes in your vinyl if you need to. This is a tool to remove it in case you need to pull your siding back off. A level, speed square, as far as cutting it, some snips, some kind of snips, 10 snips. You watch my videos, I use a cutting wheel a lot. I may cut it with that. I also have an isolating tool. I may cut it with that as well. You can cut it with several different tools.